Selling PDF files online has become a lucrative venture recently thanks to their ease of creation and shareability. With advancements in technology, creators can now track user engagement and optimize their content more effectively. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to sell PDF files online from creation to marketing to maximize your revenue. And by the way, the first step in this process is of course setting up your e-commerce store. And the best platform to create an online website is Shopify. Now, I have a special offer. If you use my link down in the description of this video, you can get your first month of Shopify for just $1. So if you want to take advantage of this offer, click the link in the description of this video and sign up with Shopify. And with that in mind, let's get started with the video. Now, selling PDFs online offers several advantages, making it an appealing option for many creators. Here are 3 of the most significant benefits. Number 1, monetizing PDFs online is an excellent way to generate revenue with minimal maintenance once your content is created and integrated into an efficient sales funnel. This makes selling PDFs an ideal side hustle. One creator has leveraged digital products like PDFs and online courses to earn 7-figure revenue since 2018, showcasing the potential for significant income and brand building. PDFs can serve as excellent lead magnets, attracting potential customers interested in your other products or services. When someone purchases your PDF, you can follow up with a marketing drip campaign via email, including feedback requests, additional tips, or exclusive offers. This approach enhances customer engagement and increases the chances of future sales. For new creators or those looking to strengthen their reputation in a niche, selling digital products like PDFs is an effective strategy. You can publish multiple pieces of content, keep them updated, and share them with your audience to build credibility. This practice helps you establish authority and extend your reach to potential leads and customers. Where to sell PDFs online? Choosing the right platforms to sell your PDFs is crucial, as it impacts your time investment, costs, and overall success. There are 2 main approaches: selling on your own website or using a third-party marketplace. Let's dive into these options focused mainly on Shopify. Selling on your own website. If you have significant website traffic, setting up your own marketplace can be highly beneficial, and Shopify is an excellent platform for this purpose. It allows you to sell PDFs directly from your site with numerous customization options. With Shopify, you can create a branded storefront, access detailed analytics on user behavior, and earn better margins compared to third-party marketplaces. Shopify's user-friendly interface and extensive features makes it easy to get started. The digital downloads apps enable seamless PDF sales, while built-in marketing tools help promote your products, track sales, and manage customer relationships. The customization options allows you to tailor your store to fit your brand perfectly, ensuring a cohesive and professional appearance. The downside, however, is that it requires more effort to drive traffic consistently, and the setup and maintenance can be time-consuming. However, the control and potential for higher earnings often outweigh these challenges. Using a marketplace. If you prefer a quicker setup or want to reach a broader audience, third-party marketplaces are an excellent option. These platforms are designed to help sellers like you get started quickly and often provide built-in customer bases. Some of the popular marketplaces where you can sell your PDFs are Gumroad, Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, and Amazon. Using these marketplaces can be advantageous because they often have established customer base, reducing the effort needed to attract buyers. In an online business, attracting buyers is the highest cost in business. Additionally, many offer advertising options to boost your product visibility. However, they typically take a commission on sales, which can reduce your profit margins quite significantly. Preparing your PDFs for sale. Creating a high-quality PDF that appeals to your target audience is essential for success. Here are the steps to ensure that your PDF is well prepared for sale. Number 1, create content for your audience. The type of content you can include in a PDF is almost limitless. Examples include ebooks, white papers, infographics, templates, worksheets, checklists, research papers, cookbooks, stories, and journaling guides. To create content that resonates with your audience, you need to understand their needs and preferences. Consider the following. Identify the problems they want to solve or topics they're interested in learning more about. Determine their preferred way of consuming information, whether for graphs, visuals, or written text. Use a writing tone that will resonate with them, whether it's professional, humorous, or academic. Be sure to include your contact information and a call to action, a CTA, in the introduction or conclusion of your PDF. This encourages readers to reach out to you for more information or additional products. Consider audience feedback. Before finalizing your PDF, seek feedback from individuals in your target audience. You can find them in Facebook groups, Reddit threads, LinkedIn, or your current customer base. Having someone review your copy for grammar, spelling, and punctuation is also crucial. Once your PDF goes live, making changes can be challenging, so thorough editing is essential. Add design details. Depending on your content, adding specific design elements can enhance your PDF's appeal. Consider creating a cover page for a white paper, incorporating your branding elements like logos, colors, and fonts, and ensuring that any copyrighted material is appropriately labeled. Choose the right format for exporting the file. When exporting your PDF, consider its intended use. Adobe provides comprehensive guidelines on various export settings. If your PDF is for digital use, ensure it looks good on different devices. If it's for printing, remember that printers use the CMYK color system, which can alter the appearance of colors compared to the RGB used by computers. Some formats might require special applications to open, and you can even add password protection for added security. Pricing your digital products. Setting the right price for your PDF is crucial for attracting buyers and maximizing revenue. Here are some factors to consider. Decide whether to charge a one-time fee, subscription, or bundle pricing. Research what competitors are charging for similar contents. Assess the length and originality of your contents. Determine your payment collection method. Consider offering a return policy. Plan promotions such as discounts or free previews. Remember, your initial pricing strategy isn't set in stone. As you gain more sales and understand your audience better, you can adjust your pricing. Testing different strategies will help you find the most effective approach. Managing online PDF sales. Creating a sales funnel. A well-designed sales funnel is essential for converting potential customers into buyers. It outlines the steps a customer takes from learning about your product to making a purchase. A robust sales funnel also identifies opportunities for upselling and generating referrals, enhancing customer loyalty. Automating your process. Leveraging technology, especially artificial intelligence, can streamline your content creation and marketing efforts. For example, AI can remind you when content needs updating, generate content ideas or outlines, and automate social media posting and marketing campaigns. These tools help you manage your digital products more efficiently. Track sales and analytics. Data is crucial for optimizing your sales strategy. Use the analytics provided by your e-commerce platform or marketplace to track metrics such as cost per acquisition, average sales per day, conversion rates, and cart abandonment rates. This information helps you understand your audience better and refine your sales tactics. Continuously optimize your strategies. A/B testing is an effective way to ensure your marketing efforts are successful. By testing different versions of your content when one variable changed, for example, the title or the call to action, you can determine which performs best. Regularly updating your content based on these insights will keep your marketing strategies fresh and effective. Regularly update your content. One of the benefits of digital products is their low maintenance. However, you should regularly check the relevance of your material. Depending on your niche, you may need to update your content frequently. For example, a cookbook might need updates for new recipes or seasonal ingredients, while educational materials may require changes based on curriculum updates. To make updating easier, consider selling your PDF as a live link rather than the actual file. This approach allows you to update the content without needing to replace the file on multiple channels. So, in conclusion, selling PDFs online is a lucrative and flexible way to monetize your knowledge and creativity. With minimal maintenance and the potential for high revenue, it's an excellent option for anyone looking to establish a side hustle or expand their digital product offerings. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can create, price, and sell your PDFs effectively, ensuring a successful venture into the digital marketplace. And remember, the first step to selling PDFs online is creating your own e-commerce website. And the best platform to do that is Shopify. Now, if you want to take advantage of my 1 month for $1 offer, make sure to click on the link in the description of this video and take advantage of that offer. I wish you all the best. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching this video.